We are changing the sway bar end links on our 2015 Suburban. And we've jacked it up. We got on jack stands. We're taking the tires off right now. We should have loosened the nuts before we jacked it up, but oh well. Can't win every time. All right, so we are changing out these linkages here because we got a clunking noise in the Suburban, so we're gonna start with the easiest part first, but we're gonna change these and drive it for a while, and then if we still get a clunking, then we'll keep going on to the next parts. So let's spray some penetrator fluid on those threads. Yeah. Okay, what size of socket is it?
It's 15 millimeters.
So we got a 15 millimeter socket. Another thing that it's a good idea is just throw your tires under your frame in case the jack stands let loose. They shouldn't, but I'd rather replace a tire than my son or myself. All right, let me get this. So I just realized I don't have any metric wrenches, so we're gonna use the good old, as they say in Eastern Canada, thumb wrench. But I've always called it the crescent wrench. I think the guys in the United States call it the adjustable. All right, yeah. Bar on top of that bolt, and I gave it a hit, and it came out pretty good. I think our Suburban only has about 105,000 kilometers on it, but I want to see, you just got to be smarter than the thing you're working on, Caden. See that? I saw guys on YouTube sawzalling those things out. Oh yeah, look at that. Well, that might be the cause of our clunking noise. All right, you want to go get the new one?
Get that off there.
Okay, you see how we're prying that sway bar up? Put the new ones in, because the new ones are a lot more rigid. Okay. Is it seated good, Caden?
Yeah.
All right.
I can just go over like the last one.
All right, we're all done. It was pretty easy. Probably took about 15 minutes per side. One thing we did was we made sure we had the same amount of thread showing on the new ones as the old ones, and that's it. And we'll let you know if our clunk's gone. And we'll see you on the next video.